Hey, welcome to our channel where we explore some of the most interesting and bizarre scenarios that could happen to our planet. Today we're going to talk about what would happen if the moon hit the Earth. It's a terrifying thought, but it's a question that has puzzled scientists for many years. So, let's dive right into it. The moon is one of the most important celestial objects in our solar system. It has played a crucial role in the evolution of our planet, from creating the tides to stabilizing our orbit. The moon is also responsible for the creation of the Earth's axial tilt, which has resulted in the changing of seasons. The moon is roughly 1/4 the size of the Earth, and its mass is just 1/6 of the Earth's mass. However, despite its relatively small size, the moon has a massive impact on our planet. If the moon were to hit the Earth, it would be catastrophic. What would happen? The impact would be so powerful that it would cause a massive explosion, releasing energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. The debris from the impact would be thrown into the atmosphere and would remain suspended for many years. The sky would turn dark, and the Earth would experience long-lasting winters, leading to a global extinction event. The impact would cause massive earthquakes and tsunamis, destroying everything in their path. The Earth's crust would be deformed, and new mountains and valleys would be created. The impact would cause a sudden change in the Earth's gravitational field, causing massive changes in the tides and weather patterns. Now the effects on the Earth. The aftermath of the impact would be catastrophic. The Earth's atmosphere would be filled with dust and debris, blocking out sunlight for many years. This would cause a massive drop in temperature, resulting in a global winter that could last for several years. The impact would also cause massive earthquakes and tsunamis, destroying everything in their path. The Earth's crust would be deformed, and new mountains and valleys would be created. The impact would cause a sudden change in the Earth's gravitational field, causing massive changes in the tides and weather patterns. At last, if the moon hit the Earth, it would be the end of life as we know it. It's a terrifying thought, but it's important to understand the potential dangers lurking in our universe. Although the chances of this happening are minuscule, it's still important to be aware of the potential consequences. As humans, we need to take our responsibilities seriously and work towards protecting our planet from such catastrophic events. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.